SOC42, time to fill up our cup. From Viggens and Sonnets to NG95s, we're still rolling strong. Saab's very much alive. It's the sum of our parts, the whole Saab crew. From wrenching in garages to whiz breakthroughs, we're a turbocharged family, not just their parts. With passion for Saab still burning in our hearts. Move your mind, yeah, that's the spark. At SOC42, we leave a mark. Got a part you need, check that eBay stash, or Craig's 900 turbo seen in a flash. From CAD engineers working deep in the night, to Facebook friends keeping Saabs running right. Carl keeps the notes, Brian counts the dough, Mark signs the deal so the show can go. Jamie's got the hype, Adam grows the bass, Chris brings the rules, Saab style and grace. It's the sum of our parts, no part too small. From tailpipes to turbos, we cherish them all. It's more than a car, it's a way of life. With a dashboard full of quirks and a trunk full of drive. Move your mind, yeah, that's the spark. At SOC42, we leave a mark. To coast, they're driving in through mountain roads and Midwest wind. From Texas heat to Maine's cool air, Saab fans unite, we'll all be there. From the 70s turbos to tenant cameos, we're the movie stars of quirky autos. Ignition by the gear, even Hollywood still holds us dear. We gather each year, not just to repair, but to laugh, race, swap parts and share. Each bolt and badge has a story to tell, and thanks to our board, we organize it well. Us through each Saab storm with a KeepOnSAABin spirit that's warm. Volunteers unite, no paycheck in hand, just a lifetime love for the Swedish brand. It's the sum of our parts, every gear and grin, every wrench turned, every show we win. From classic 99s to 94X is rare, we roll with pride, Saab still in the air. Move your mind, yeah, that's the spark. At SOC42, we leave a mark. So polish your hood, bring your favorite ride, whether it's race ready or just your pride. From workshops to highways, we're doing our part, 'cause every true Saab story comes from the heart.